Hello, good people. It's me, David. Right now, I'm on the sofa in my house in Gold Coast, in near Brisbane, in Australia. I would like to show you why MOBROG is possibly the worst, if not one of the worst, marketing research and web-based survey businesses around, simply because their system just does not work. It's bound to not just create wrong data, but it is also going to be an extremely annoying process for the applicant who is doing the web survey. Um, it's actually been a lot of complaints about this service I've received by email and telephone also. So let's just have a quick look at what it is. Okay, so as you see here, I get an email saying, uh, participate in this survey, please. And then it redirects you to your survey. Fine, agree to that. After you've entered in a few details as well, then you enter in your, where you're from, your date of birth information, all that kind of stuff. But remember, you've received an email saying you can participate in some survey they've got. You enter in your gender again. They should already have that information. You've already applied. Where you're from, or where do you live? I guess I live in Sydney because all my Australian documents go to Sydney. This information I had already entered in MOBROG when I registered. Yeah, I have master degrees, so bachelor degree or above. I already entered this information in MOBROG. Why do I need to enter it again? Then it sends you to this other screen where you have to enter the same information again. Is this just not an annoying process? Yes. But then, even though you've got an email that says you qualify for a survey, you are told your profile doesn't fit their survey. But I received an email saying you should apply for this survey. This makes no sense to me. And then, of course, you get, now unfortunately, you're not able to apply, you're not able to complete this survey. Now, I don't know how annoying that would be for some people, but for me, MOBROG is an absolute failure. Number one, in our system, this would never happen. Why? Our category and keywording system is absolutely superior to anything else out there on the market for web surveys, product testing, focus groups, you name it, in regards to getting answers from consumers or clients for your questions. Our system is superior. You wouldn't go through this if you were a client of ours, because we take from our database the people that absolutely fit the survey we have received from the company. We know the people who would suit that survey the best. So we would only send this kind of survey that MOBROG do to the people who the client has asked for. We wouldn't make people go through this process every single time and waste their time, and they don't even get money for it. They don't even get a reward for it. All they get told at the end is you can't complete this survey. MOBROG is a failure. It needs our system in order for it to actually work. And at the end of it, everyone's happy. No one would get this message with us because we have already selected from our pool of candidates the absolute best people for that survey. So they complete that survey, they wouldn't get a message at the end of it saying you are not able to complete this survey because we've already selected you. You say you will receive a reward, an incentive for filling out the survey. And the client will be happy because we have been able to find for them the exact people, the exact profile they want for their survey. So, MOBROG, absolute failure. If they were to take up our offer and use our system, they would be much more successful. It would just change their business model 100%. They would be a very successful company with very good, insightful, intelligent, and reliable information. And the people, their candidates for web surveys would be a lot happier because they wouldn't get this kind of message. Even after they've received the original email that says you can participate in this questionnaire. So hopefully MoBrog will give us a call and we'll work everything out for them very quickly. Okay, thank you very much for your time and have a good day, and thank you for watching websurveyasia.com video on YouTube. Bye-bye.